Guys, this is hands down the best Brussels sprout I have ever had in my life. And we're going to start by cleaning up these Brussels. So I just nip off the little end of the root, just a little bit. We don't want these falling apart. Then we'll split them in half. So nip off the end, split them in half. And once you got all those done, just set those in a bowl. We're going to put them off to the side. And our next component is going to be bacon. I got this Applewood smoked thick cut bacon, and I'm cutting them in about 1/2 to 3/4 inch chunks. All right, I want a bite of bacon when I do this. So once that's all chopped up, I'm going to start heating up a pan, and we're going to blanch our Brussels. So I've got some water, and I'm going to add a big handful of salt. And while that starts to come to a boil, I'll get that bacon going. So it goes in the pan. I'm just going to move it around. We want that to get nice and crisp, and while that's cooking, we'll go ahead and blanch these Brussels. This all goes pretty quick, and those are going to go in the water for 6 minutes. Set your timer, 6 minutes. That's all you want. We don't want these to get mushy. We want them to stay nice and bright green. So meanwhile, the bacon's cooking. That's about done crisping up. I'm going to set that off to the side. We're going to discard most of that fat, but leave a little bit behind because we're going to cook those Brussels in it. So it's been 6 minutes now. We're going to go ahead and strain these Brussels. I'm not going to rinse them or anything. I'm just going to let them sit there for about 2-3 minutes. I want all that water to drain off them. Then I'm going to put them right into that bacon grease. We're going to move them around a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and add in some cracked black pepper. I'm not adding any salt at this point because that grease has a lot of salt, and we're going to add the bacon back in there. But guys, at this point, we're just about there. Give that a nice toss. We got our bacon and Brussels. Look at that. Don't those look good? Now, we're not done. We're going to throw those into a bowl. This is our serving dish, and at this point, guys, we're going to finish with a little balsamic glaze. You can buy this stuff or go ahead and just reduce some balsamic till it gets nice and thick. I'm just going to throw a nice drizzle right on top. That's it. You get the sweet and salty with those savory Brussels. It's absolutely perfect, man. Just get in there and enjoy. What a treat. Thanks for watching. Cheers, everyone.